So, Amara, what will you cook for me? What's that? Egg and french fries. And cookies? You don't put cookies there, you bake them. Here.
Pastries and cakes. Let me see. Can you show us the pastries and cakes? Adam and Amara.
Hey.
What is that? Okay. What else? What's that, Amara? It's a cake. Wow. Okay, can you slice it for us? Oh, so here is where they store the chopping board, the knife.
Wow! Look here.
That one is for
The fruits and the
fruits,
vegetables, plates and the cups and the spoon and forks.
Are you supposed to cook the cake? Huh? Are you supposed to cook the cake?
That's not. You bake it.
Can you show us how to bake?
Okay. Now, where did you put all of the kitchen things? Ayan.
Okay. Get some vegetables.
Look, we have found some plants outside too.
Yeah. I'll cook for Mama.
Can you?
What is that? Amara, what is that? Bell pepper.
Can you give me carrots and
Good job.
and then slice it and cook it for me. Wait, are you supposed to add apple, ketchup, milk, pineapple juice in just one meal?
What are you cooking, Amara? You're cooking french fries.
Hey, I said carrots lang, not with french fries. Wait, I think this is wrong.
Cook.
Oh, Amara, can you turn on the light?
Wow! You're cooking, huh? Oh, it's a big plate. Okay.
Look, it has some light. Try to just a little.
Okay.
It's running out of battery.
Oh, show it to Mama. Here. Thank you.